those who wants to achieve their financial freedom, I believe that you have to invest in the knowledge first.
Start with value investing. Start knowing about the fundamentals. Start knowing how to value a company properly.
Don't be overwhelmed by the amount of information.
With that knowledge, you know how to do the investment right, the right way.
Start something that is safe, you know what is going on, value investing, slowly build on this foundation, and then after that, you will know what is right and what is wrong.
After you own the skill, the next best thing is to take action.
There are so many stocks, there are so many articles, so many videos, so many well-intentioned people with tips and say, oh, stock A, stock B, stock C, stock, this is growth, and all this kind of stuff. Know your circle of competence, identify one or two, study the industry, all right, and then use that as a starting point.
Invest in your knowledge, start right away, no matter how much you have. Even if you only have $100, why not, right?
So anybody who wants to start investing doesn't mean that you have to stay with it, but at least learn about value investing first. That's the foundation. And then you can branch out to other things which you maybe find more interesting.